I get into this video, let me check some water because I'm thirsty.
You went away. You went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today.
So I saw that Jeffree Star is having a relaunch, a restock of the Conspiracy palette. So I wanted to create a very colorful look for you guys using the Conspiracy palette. You guys know that I ended up getting, you see right here, I ended up getting this palette when it first came out, and it's so good. So I really wanted to do a very colorful look. You guys know that I've been talking about this Amorzzz M532 brush. It is a blending brush and it's very big and fluffy. I just love how it fits perfectly on my crease, and I've been using this one for everything. So I think I'm gonna go for like a pink look. My eyebrows are done. My base is done. I don't have concealer on yet, and I'm going to first decide if I want to wear concealer today. Okay, so we're gonna go in first with my PLEAS. That's this beautiful baby pink color, and I absolutely love it. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna go in here, and I'm just going to put this color all over. And the reason why I like this brush is because it helps you blend and do everything really fast. So if you're looking for, like, you know, brushes that are gonna be your go-to brushes and you just need them to like slap this eyeshadow on, or you're a person who uses all over eyeshadows, like all over your eyes, then this brush, look into this brush. I believe they're very cheap. I want to say either $6, $7, or $8. That's the best I can do. So I'm just gonna take this color and then just like apply it on both eyes, basically all over. And that's just gonna give us a really nice little cushion. And the next color that we are going to go into is Pigment. Pigment we're gonna go into, and then we're gonna put this all over our lid and bring it up to a little bit up to our crease. So we're just gonna blend this out, and I'm gonna take it into my crease. And then this is going to be like a very subtle, colorful look, and we're going to intensify it a little bit, but first, let's just do all over. I really want to go in with Trisha. I really want to go in with this Trisha pigment, but it's just like, actually, I'm gonna do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do a halo eye because I haven't done one in a really, really long time, and you guys know that I love, absolutely love doing halos. So I'm gonna go in with the Trisha, this Trisha color, and we're going to apply her on that outer corner and just feather it in. And then we're gonna take the same color and we're going to put it on the inside of the eye, so right by that inner corner tear duct, but not all the way down. Gorgeous, so pretty. And if this color is so beautiful, it's just like the absolute like perfect Barbie pink, because it does have like this pearl iridescence about it, and it just looks so beautiful. And then so we're just really carving this halo out just like that. Now let's go into the center of the lid because I already know what color I want to use on there. And I'm just gonna take this small brush and we're gonna go into Ranch. We're gonna go into this shadow, and then I'm actually going to put Just a Theory on top of that. And I'm going to spray my Urban Decay setting spray. And I'm gonna pick the same color up and just go right in the middle. Oh yeah, that just made it pop. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay, so now on the other side, I'm going to pick up Just the Theory, and I'm going to also spray it, and I'm going to put this right on the outside of Ranch. So this is gonna be that mixing color that comes in between Trisha and Ranch. So it kind of makes like a little triangle on there, which is exactly what I want, kinda. So then I'm gonna flip back over to that side that had Ranch on it. I'm just gonna go back in and just pat it along those harsh edges and just kind of mixing, just like so. So it kind of has like a little pop of color on the middle. So now I'm just gonna take that brush that had a little bit of that Trisha color, and I'm just going to feather, like swooping. So if I do it on my hand, this is the motion that you're doing. You're swooping it in. And you're just swooping, and that's how you get that beautiful blended line. Always make sure that your shadows are absolutely blended completely. And then I'm just gonna go back in with a little Trisha. And that is the eye. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with whatever's left on my brush and just kind of brush it along the edge. Then we're gonna pick that fluffy brush on that we use in the beginning, and we're just going to kind of scratch away and blur out those lines. All right, you guys, so I'm going to quickly do the other eye really quick off camera, and then we will be back. All right, you guys, we are back. This is the eyeshadow. So now we are going to add some liquid liner to it. I can't find my Kylie one, so this is the one that I'm going to use. This is the Epic Liner, which is also bomb. This one's from NYX. It's super good. This was my jam. That's how you just go for it. And up. Here we go. Let's let this dry. Moving on to contour. Let's snatch this face really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my KKW palette. This is the palette. I have the palette in medium. This is the medium one. First, I really love both of these colors because they just make contouring so much easier. They give you the perfect colors. So if you're like a shade, if you're tan, you're lighter medium or medium, I feel like these shades would be perfect for you. So we're gonna go in, and I'm just gonna go into that lighter shade right here. And I'm gonna start by doing my little cheek contour. And the foundation that I have on, I don't have foundation on, I have my BB cream. This is my go-to BB cream that I've told you guys about. I have that on, and I have the Fenty Poreless Primer. That's what I have on the bottom, and yeah, it's perfect. Just really focus it on the back part today. I don't want too much in the front. I just need to slice my cheeks. Yeah. So I like to bring my contour, the lighter shade, a little bit higher on my cheekbones, so it just really like does that. If you guys have a hard time contouring, It helps if you smile as well. If you just smile, your face, your cheeks will divot where you should apply your powder. And you can also just do this color, the light one. You don't have to go in with a darker one. Okay, so that's the first color. Let's go into the second one. And I'm just gonna bring this towards the back. I'm just trying to get that little divot right there. Yeah. Same thing right here. Okay. You guys, I have the Nicole Guerrero Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. It is restocked and relaunching. Look at this. That's how much I've used this palette, you guys. It's so good. If you guys have the opportunity to get it, I suggest you get it, because it's one of those, like, if you have to think about it, I'm telling you, you need it. And the only reason why I stopped using it is because I didn't want to finish it. Like, look at this. Like, I've literally used every one. But because these highlights are pink, we're going to use this for blush today. So I'm going to mix Kitty Cat and Daydream because these are just calling out to me. And I'm just going to apply these as you would a blush, but like high. Chin. I'm so cute. I'm like feeling myself today. All right, so let me slap on some mascara and then I will be back. All right, you guys, that is it for this really quick. What was this? Like, I feel like it was a very quick, colorful, fun, vibrant look with the Conspiracy palette. Like, this is what I needed. I felt like so dull. Oh. I felt so dull without just like color. And I feel like having a little bit of color just kind of like makes, one, it makes the weekend real. Like, it's a real thing, you know, it's here. So if you, whatever you do this weekend, go ahead and try this look out. It's super, super easy and super, super simple and so beautiful. Like, it will put you in a good mood because this just really did it for me. If you guys have a video in mind, don't forget to leave me the comment, like this video, subscribe, and join our little makeup familia family here on YouTube, you guys. And that is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, for doing my giveaways. I will do more giveaways for you guys in the future. I promise you that. Thank you guys so much for your support and love and all of that good stuff. You guys have a happy Friday. All right, you guys. I love you guys so much. Adios.